Have you ever looked in the mirror and felt like your skin suddenly looks loose and dull? For no clear reason. Or noticed your hair becoming thin and fragile, your nails breaking like paper, or your joints making cracking sounds when you climb stairs? Most people assume these are just natural signs of aging. But what if I told you these are actually your body crying out for help? A sign of deficiency in a vital but often forgotten mineral. A building element so important that without it, your body slowly loses its internal structure. That hidden hero is called silicon. After oxygen, silicon is the second most abundant element in the Earth's crust. Inside your body, it works like an invisible architect of cement that holds collagen, bones, and connective tissue together. Everyone talks about calcium. Everyone takes vitamin C, but silicon is the silent worker that makes everything strong in the first place. Without it, your body literally loses its structural integrity. Write in the comments right now. Had you ever heard of silicon as an essential mineral for the human body before this video? The first place a silicon deficiency shows up is your appearance. You can take the most expensive collagen supplements, but without enough silicon, it's like having premium bricks with no cement. Silicon activates the enzymes that produce collagen and gives both collagen and elastin their spring-like strength. When silicon levels drop, skin loses elasticity, becomes saggy, wrinkled, and paper-thin. Hair loses its shine, becomes weak, and falls out. Nails turn brittle, crack easily, and split into layers. And what about our bones? We all think calcium alone makes bones strong, but that's only half the story. Calcium needs a framework to attach to, and silicon builds that very framework. A silicon deficiency is like pouring concrete without any steel reinforcement. It might look solid, but it's fragile from the inside. This is why low silicon levels are strongly linked to osteoporosis. Silicon is also essential for healthy cartilage in our joints. That cracking sound and joint pain often come from weakened cartilage due to a silicon deficiency. So far, we've talked about signs you can see and feel: skin, hair, nails, bones, and joints. But here's where it gets serious. Silicon deficiency also affects vital internal systems you can't see until it's too late. Your heart, blood vessels, and even your brain depend on this mineral. Before I continue, tell me in the comments, which symptom do you notice most? Loose skin, brittle hair, weak nails, or joint pain? Your aorta, the main artery of your body, needs to remain flexible, like a rubber hose, expanding and contracting with every single heartbeat. Silicon provides that flexibility. When silicon is low, blood vessels become stiff and fragile, like an old hose left out in the sun. This process is called atherosclerosis. Studies have shown that healthy blood vessels contain 14 times more silicon than blocked arteries. Silicon helps prevent cholesterol plaques from sticking to artery walls, keeping them clean and elastic. And here's one of silicon's most powerful roles. Every day, we are exposed to the toxic metal aluminum through food, water, and even the air we breathe. Aluminum accumulation in the brain is strongly linked to Alzheimer's disease. Silicon acts like a bodyguard. It binds to aluminum in your digestive system, forming a compound the body can't absorb, and then safely eliminates it. In simple terms, silicon prevents aluminum from ever entering your bloodstream and your brain. Low silicon levels mean leaving your brain's doors wide open to this dangerous enemy. You might be wondering, if silicon is so abundant, why are we so deficient? The answer lies in modern farming, processed foods, and aging. Modern agricultural soils are depleted of silicon. The highest silicon content is found in fruit peels, whole grains, and vegetable skins, exactly the parts that get removed in white flour, white rice, and other processed foods. Andouillage, our ability to absorb silicon drops significantly. But the good news is, fixing a silicon deficiency is simple. You don't need expensive supplements. Nature provides it generously. Rich sources include whole grains and bran, legumes, root vegetables, cucumbers with the skin on, bell peppers, and plants like bamboo and horsetail. In fact, horsetail tea is one of the richest natural sources of silicon you can find. The rule is simple: eat whole, unprocessed foods. Don't peel away the skins of fruits or remove the bran from your grains. So the next time you worry about a new wrinkle, weak hair, or knee pain, remember your body may just need more cement. Silicon isn't just about beauty. It's the foundation of your structural strength, your heart health, and your mental clarity. By restoring this forgotten mineral, you give your body the tools it needs to rebuild itself from the inside out. It's one of the simplest, yet most powerful, secrets to long-term health, strength, and youth. If this video helped you, please give it a like. Hit the hype button below, subscribe, and share this life-saving knowledge with the people you care about.